Good morning, everybody. We are here in Beaver Creek, Yukon. It's Tuesday morning. Well, it's almost afternoon. We just woke up. It's like 11 a.m. We slept in for a heck of long. Yesterday at like 4 a.m. the guy came to swap trailers with me, and my father-in-law had to go around like, I think it was around like 10 p.m. yesterday, across the border actually, because the guy's passport is expired. So he went over there, swapped trailers, and came back. Yeah, I think he was here since like 12, and then at 4 a.m. the guy came to swap trailers with me. And then I was so tired I just passed out, and man, I had a good sleep. But yeah, this is what 11 a.m. looks like in Beaver Creek, Yukon. So Alaska is just down the road, like 2 miles away. Here we have some Carlisle trucks. So yesterday, when I was driving, I hit a deer. And it was like a little baby deer. Probably like not even a year old. There's two of them on the road, and I just couldn't do anything. I went all the way to the right as much as I could, and she just ran up to my truck. This is what happened right here. Just pushed the bumper in. I was gonna get a new bumper anyway, so it's fine. I'm trying to find a nice one right now. I wonder if that was already there. Oh no, that was there. They swap trailers too all the time. They just run up to the border. One truck comes from Alaska, the other one comes from the US, and they just swap out. That's a long frame. Wow. That frame though. What is that, like a 300? And they have DEF? Wow. That's a bad idea. Bad idea to have DEF in Alaska. It's like -50. Then we have two more Carlisle trucks over there. Then we have my beauty here. And a beautiful Volvo. Man, that fan is loud. Hey, good morning, sir. How are you?
Good, good.
What time did you come here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you ready to wake up and drive? Perfect. Me too. This is what Beaver Creek looks like. Restaurant right there. So I don't know what that is. Some kind of, I think it's a school. Here we have a police station. Here is a gas station, RV park, and motel. A little house over there. Information center. A motel that I would never want to go to. That looks like a really sketchy motel. I don't know. I don't think it's even open, to be honest. Maybe in the summertime. A lot of these places are closed during the winter. And there's a few houses over there. Probably a little more down the road. But yeah, this is the city. Now it's over. Now we're heading back to Washington. It's a Tuesday afternoon. We should be there probably Thursday night now. We were supposed to be there Thursday morning, but that didn't work out.
Давай вперед. Пошло, 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 пошло. Да, я думаю, что все. Что, Паша, пошла? А то съешь? Давай, так сейчас почти схватим. Сейчас Паша пускай попробует, может его вытянем. А у него есть за что цеплять. Да, лед конкретный. А, он нормально дает назад, потом сейчас вперед. Все, он вышел. Все, да, я соберу это. Сейчас. Паша. Давай, поехали. Давай, 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 дорогая, давай, 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 не буксуй. Не буксует. Поехали. Нормально. Все. Выехали. Остановиться, блокировку выключить.
Continue on Highway 1.
Highway 1. Да, так я выезжаю, она буксует на месте. Давай, Пашка, проезжай. Буксует на месте. Дорога как будто подсыпали, но на самом деле стекло реально. Если был бы груженный, было бы легче. Так пустой, и она легкой. Такие дела у нас. Дорога домой. Так сладко звучит, домой. Опа, опа, опа. Тут чуть-чуть жмешь на газ и задок уносит.
How slippery this road is. Just give a little bit of gas, that's it. So I guess it rained a little bit and they made it like a ice skating rink, which is always fun, you know. Wow. So we're driving over here in Yukon and it rained and the road froze over and pure ice on the road. I almost jackknifed, like I can barely walk. The whole road. This is crazy. Wow. Man, I hope there's a flatbed that's driving right there. I hope he doesn't hit us. I think he put chains on. Yep, he put chains on. I think that's what we're gonna do right now. My father-in-law is driving up to me. If you're kind of driving like on the edge over here, it's not too bad. But the problem is, if you start moving more and more and more in it, it's gonna just put you in the bank. Эй!
Слушай, давай цепляем цепи.
Я думаю, так тоже.
Цепляем цепи, будем ехать тихонько, но ты будешь ехать уверен, что куда-то доедем. А так ты никуда не доедешь. Это опасно, кто-то приедет и в тебя врежется.
Да, да.
А тут смотри, стекло настоящее.
Я вижу. So, we made about like 30-40 miles after putting chains on. And then we saw our friend Pavel that we were driving with, but he went ahead. And now he was stuck because there was a truck blocking the road. So now he threw on some chains, but we can't make it up this hill. It's just way too icy, so we're just backing up right now as far as we can, so my father-in-law can get a little bit of speed, because he's not able to even start up there at all. Давайте назад. Oh. Man, this button right here, it's a lifesaver. I'm telling you guys. When you have full lockers, man, and the ice doesn't help much. Окей, сейчас я встану чуть в горку. Yeah, he's not able to make it up the hill. I don't know if I'm gonna make it up the hill. I'm just gonna make it up the hill and park. I'm gonna go help him put on some more chains real quick. Man, guys, it is so icy. So what happened, it was like -30 here like a week ago, and out of nowhere it just got super warm. It's 36 degrees right now, and it rained, and the whole road just became pure ice, like pure ice. It's crazy. I've never experienced this much black ice before. I have like in little sections here and there, but man, for like 80 miles already, it's just pure black ice, like pure black ice. I know I've said pure black ice a bunch of times, but I'm just shocked how bad it is. I'm gonna park my trailer just in case. You never know right now. Принести мешок цепей? Okay, сейчас. I gotta bring him one more set of chains. I already gave him one set, because what happened, he had chains, but he changed his tires, and now those chains, they don't fit anymore. So I already gave him one bag. I'm gonna have to bring him in a different bag. Oh. Alright, this bag it's not freaking light. Hope I don't trip and fall on this ice. Man, just grab some ice skates. Just skate down this freaking road. The wind is like pushing me. Oh man. Huh, I just walked here for no reason. This is fun. Yeah, Alaska. Oh yeah, make some money. Yeah, take 10 times longer to get back and 10 times longer to get there. Yeah, fun. Make some extra cash. Oh man, walked a little bit there for nothing. He was able to get up without him. I just can't believe how icy it is. I don't know why I can't hear. Why? Oh no no! Oh crap! Man, he went to the ditch. Well, sort of. No way. Gotta be kidding me. I almost went in there too. Oh, man. Yeah, fuck. Oh! Oh my God! Що там, Паша? Що там случилось?
Не слушалась, она просто так пошла.
А это ты? I thought it was my father-in-law. Oh man. It is so slippery right here. Я думал, это вы.
Я кручу руль, кручу тебе аппарат. Возьмите середину. Возьми середину, по мне. Я беру руль туда, он меня заносит. Смотри, какой спуск сюда.
Я в шоке.
Смотри, какой спуск. А, как ты тот раз вообще. Я грабаем, сыграем, мы тратим так все. Ну, я ломаю. А тут тоже же сюда мы включили блокировку, сдаем урбу. Да, цели руля, ще дреб. А, дрябка рулит просто. Ищет шор, дрябка рулит прямо на хвост.
Man, it is so slippery.